In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find phone contacts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile page. After that, tap right here at these three lines. Select Settings and Privacy. And then at the very top, tap Add Account Center. Then tap Add Your Information and Permissions. And that's where we can easily find the option which is called Upload Contacts. We need to get into it. Then we need to select our Instagram account for which we would like to search users by their phone numbers. And that's where we need to ensure that Connect Contacts toggle button turned on, like in my case. After that, if we head over to our Instagram profile, just next to Share Profile button, we can easily find that tiny button here, like person with the plus sign. All we have to do, guys, is just tap on it. It will show us Discover People. We can tap at See All to see all the users that Instagram think we should know, and that list of users also include users from your contacts book. So that's how you can easily find users by their phone numbers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.